Ooh, that sun is bright. What is going on, guys? Double R here. We got a busy day ahead of us. Today, we gotta take the 240 now that I own. If you guys don't know, you guys seen a couple of pictures of it on my Instagram. I have a 91 240 SX. That is my brand new drift car. I'm gonna learn a lot from it. But today, we actually have to take it to Nissan. So I gotta take a trailer. I gotta get a trailer from U-Haul because we're gonna use that trailer for the Supercharged Q50 to get it to the dyno all the way in Tampa. And then we're gonna use it to get the Nissan all the way to Crown Nissan so I could actually have a master technician look at it, who's actually a really good friend of ours. The 240 is just having a couple of starter issues. We'll replace the starter twice. All power is going to the starter, all power is coming from the ignition switch, all the grounds are connected, the car is just not starting. So I'm just gonna take it to Crown Nissan. I'm gonna have one of their master techs deal with it. Like I said, he's a really good friend of ours. As far as the Supercharged Q50 goes, guys, we got paddle shifters coming in. Yes, we got paddle shifters, we got a custom 2018 Red Sport Q50 shift knob, and we got the shift boot to match it as well. So that interior is gonna look mint. Also, we gotta get the front bumper put all the way back on and screwed in because it's kind of hanging by a thread right now. We did that on purpose. We wanted ARH to kind of have an easy time taking off the bumper while they were putting on all the air intake piping and all of that. And that just leaves getting the Q50 on the trailer, getting it on the dyno in Tampa, and then it's ready. It's ready. We'll have a Supercharged Q50 once this thing is ready, tuned by Martin. Guys, this is gonna be an awesome build, but I gotta go pick up this trailer right now so that way we could start everything. And I'm driving with this big ass camera, so. We got the trailer on the back of the truck. You guys can't see it, but we're about to go pick up the 240. Guys, we're all set. We got the trailer hooked up to the back of the car. Don't mind the dirty ass window. We're about to go to my mechanic shop to wake his ass up, and then we're gonna go pick up the 240. Ooh, look at her sitting all pretty. This isn't bad. This will do for now. I hope this doesn't, my rims will be fine. I'll be fine. Impact one.
Get to work.
I haven't seen my car been tested so long.
Places, air cooler's mounted, your block valve's mounted, the oil cooler's fully mounted, the lines are ran.
Yeah, they just need to get connected.
Oh, yeah. So if you look in the car.
Are we coming back here? Can we get food?
Yeah, you have to put your bumper on.
Can we get food?
You have to put your bumper on first.
Put my bumper on.
And we gotta get some gas out of your car. We gotta get E85.
We gotta get gas. We gotta get E.
Masturbate.
Hello. This is fine, right?
Yeah.
Can you drive?
Yeah. Was it the right size hitch?
Yeah, it was perfect.
Like, what the fuck? Look at this thing.
Look at what?
There's freaking shit everywhere.
What is it?
Oh, can you fucking put that air freshener?
I was gonna put it in my
Well, I
car.
guess it's too bad. I guess I get it. You didn't back this up yet, have you?
Nope.
Oh, we might. Wednesday, we might do the supercharger. No,
On your car?
I might get the supercharger.
Yeah, but you're gonna do it the same day you get it. No, because you need the bracket.
Yeah.
Damn, that shit's strong. Alright.
Rome, just so you know, you're gonna have to roll this up next after.
Alright, so the plan is I'm gonna take this string and that truck with this car, go that way. That's basically it, right? That's all we're trying to know. Chad, is gonna come right off.
No, it's not. No. I know what I'm doing. I'm a mattress professional doing it right. just sleepy for the rest of your night.
So then why couldn't we just start the car then?
I try to start it, bro. Have you seen if it started?
Yeah, I come here like once every 3 days and break my heart.
We're gonna wrap this around. Get this.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Just like that?
No, not like
Oh,
that. I'm trying to. I'm fingering it out, Rome. Sometimes I have to tell. I have to bend this bumper down. Bumper.
Yeah. Get it.
Okay, now give me the end of the strap.
Look at how good that looks.
Give me the end. Give it to me, Rome.
Take it.
Give it to me, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, now. Take the truck.
No. Hello. So I haven't showed you guys this much. This is the 240. Clutch in. And no start. No start. Yep, this is what I've been dealing with. So oh my God. Oh my God.
Okay. Go drive the truck.
All right, attempt 1 is in progress. And she started! Oh yeah! That's how you get it done? Oh my God! Hello! I haven't heard you wake up in so long! It smells like bad fuel. Like, not bad, just old. That was good. That was good, right?
Well, do you want to put it on here? Because we can. Should we just put it on here?
Yeah, let's just put it on.
Take the truck, drive around until you come back over here, and I'll move the 240 because you know how to maneuver to come back over here, right? All right. You do that. Go. Just go. Go now.
All right. Now I gotta go around town, try and take this truck because we can't reverse it. Chad, I'm going. All right, so we're just having very minor 240 problems. It's fine though. This think it'll go. Yeah, no, this is very legit, very professional. I saw my bumper go at a 90-degree angle, so we're gonna try this out.
She's gonna work.
You think so?
Yeah, I do.
No, he has all the confidence in the world that this is gonna work.
Are you stopping just because it's hitting?
It's like interesting. You could go. Go.
It's never gonna come off.
You just want to drive it? Alright, fuck it. Fine, I'll bring the fucking trailer.
Be safe, don't get hurt.
No, we'll try not to.
I forgot your name.
We'll mellow.
Good to see you again. Be good.
Good to see you again. Let me get it on you. Yeah, we're trying to get it out of here, man. Thank you. Of course. Alright, so here's the situation. Trailer's too tall for the 240, that's too low. Now we're just gonna drive the 240 over there. Hopefully it doesn't stall it, hopefully it doesn't turn off. 240 problems. At least I know for a fact the Q will fit on there. The Q's never given me a problem when it comes to trailers and stuff. Even though it's pretty low, that 240 is literally to the ground. So yeah, hopefully we could get it over there without a problem. Ooh, look at her though. She's gonna be so much fun to drive. Oh wow, dude! Oh, I'm hungry. Chad, you did good job. You did good job.
Then not how much?
How do you like the job that he did?
Go find the wire clippers, it's fine.
God damn, Chad, I just cleaned all this shit up.
Can you get a 12 millimeter?
There we go.
You have the 12?
Yeah.
Well, how the fuck am I gonna use that?
You said 12. You wrench? Socket? You never said, you said I need a 12. Alright people, that was a damn event and a half just to get the Q50 on the damn trailer. For one, it doesn't fucking fit. We got the whole entire rear bumper basically hanging off the back of this fucking thing. Although U-Haul advertised that a fucking SUV could fit on it, that's a lie. The 240 didn't fit on it because it was too low to the ground. We didn't have any wood to be able to help the front tires lift the bumper up, so we had to push start it and drive it. Yeah, now the Q50's on the trailer and now we're gonna go and pick up my girlfriend with it because I have no other car. So, this is my daily. You know, for the first time that I thought I was gonna be driving my car, I didn't think it was gonna be like this. But fuck a tow truck, cause when you wanna get things done, you do them yourself.